Hello guys, it is I, Zayap Guy, and welcome to another video. How do we learn programming? Either by yourself or courses/school. In this video, I will be talking about types of programming students. Number one is the billion-dollar idea. We usually learn how to program for either finding a job or because we are interested in it. This type learns it for one purpose and one purpose only: profit. They want to make the next big thing and be a billionaire. Yeah, good luck, buddy. Alright, it's finally time to learn how to program. Oh, I'm gonna make the next big thing. I'm gonna earn so much money. I'm gonna be a billionaire. I'm gonna buy everything. Yes, I'm gonna buy myself a mansion. Okay, let's start. Haha, this will be amazing. Number two is the immediate AI master. A lot of people want to learn AI for many reasons. Some want to be able to train machines. Some do it for a hefty paycheck. The problem is, they try to do it with no prior programming experience, and it usually leads to some interesting outcomes. Alright, time to learn how to do AI. How to write an AI with Python. Okay, nice. Should I know Python before doing this? Nah, let's go ahead. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen? What does any of this mean? What does this mean? What even is this? Is this English? What? Number three is the block-based. Block-based languages have existed for some time now. Scratch, code.org, etc. Although they are not the best languages to start with, some people choose them over languages like Python. Alright, time to start to learn how to code. I think I have to put an event. Oh, we can make the cat say hello. Oh, it works! Amazing! I'm gonna go apply for a job. Okay, so we need you to invert a binary tree. Invert a what? Number four is the C student. The C programming language is a very powerful language. With that power comes difficulty. It is very difficult for someone to learn it as their first language. However, some people are crazy enough to attempt it, and even crazier people manage to learn it. Okay, let's do this. Number five is the JavaScript learner. JavaScript. The most consistent language ever. Everything makes sense in JavaScript. Here is what happens to those who dare understand it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, did you know that only 3% of y'all are subscribed? And subscribing really helps out. So if you haven't, please do. You can always unsubscribe later. Anyways, enough selling out. Zayap Guy out.